Hello, and thank you for joining us at XM.com. I'm Cristina Marujos, and this is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyajian. The U.S. currency is headed for its third straight day of sharp losses against the basket of currencies as traders continue to price an increasing probability that the Federal Reserve will be forced to cut rates later this year. The moves in Treasury yields reflect growing expectations that the Fed will soon embark on an easing path. St. Louis Fed President James Bullard fueled such bets yesterday, becoming the first Fed official to signal a cut, which puts even more focus on Fed Chairman Jerome Powell's remarks when he speaks later today at the Fed Listens conference in Chicago at 1:55 p.m. GMT. The weaker greenback was a boon for the struggling euro. However, the euro's gains were capped by ongoing worries of another clash between Italy and the EU, as the European Commission considers whether to begin disciplinary procedure against the country over its high budget deficit. Gold has been another winner during the greenback's freefall, hitting a 3-month high, and the commodity could be in line for even steeper gains should the Fed begin to signal a rate cut. Global stocks remain on the back foot amid the deepening trade row with China and possible U.S. tariffs on Mexico. Adding to the gloomy outlook was a worse-than-expected ISM manufacturing PMI out of the U.S. yesterday. Making matters worse was a widening antitrust probe by U.S. authorities on Wall Street's tech giants. The Federal Trade Commission and the Department of Justice are reportedly examining whether to start formal investigations into Facebook, Amazon, Apple, and Alphabet's Google. Shares of all 4 companies plummeted overnight in U.S. trading, sending the Nasdaq Composite to its lowest close in 4 months. As expected, the Reserve Bank of Australia cut its cash rate to an all-time low of 1.25%, hoping to boost stubbornly low inflation and softening growth. Although the RBA kept the door open for further rate cuts, it failed to provide clear signals on the future rate path. This fell short of expectations of a more dovish RBA by many traders, and the Aussie quickly bounced back after a small dip following the announcement. This was a Daily Market Comment. Thank you for watching us at XM.com.